Welcome to MoneyWatch channel. This is Kundu, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make money using email address. Yes, you heard right. You will be learning how to make money using just email. And if you are new to this channel, then I will highly advise you to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you will come to know about any future video which I release about making money online. So without further ado, let's get started. So the website which you are going to land on is this website, which will load up very soon. Just wait for a bit. And this is useproof.com. Okay, and this is a website where you will just scroll down to the bottom and click on partners. Click on here partners, and you will land up on this page. And what you will do is you will join their affiliate program. Just click on join now, and once you join their affiliate program, you will get your affiliate link, which will look something like this. And once somebody signs up, you will earn 30% of commission. And the cool part is they will pay you via PayPal or Stripe account after 1 month of your promotion. Okay, so what you are going to do once you sign up on this website is simply go to Google and type in a technology blog. Okay, just go to Google. Simply go to Google, and you will come. Just wait a bit while the page is being loaded, and type in technology blog. Click on enter, and for example, let's go to TechCrunch. Okay, there are lots and lots of technology blog, and they have very just go to this website TechCrunch, and once you go there, just bear with me, the website is being loaded. So you will go to this website. I'm showing you just an example. You can go to any technology website, and the reason why I'm telling you to go to technology website, because they make lots and lots of money, and the chances of signing up to your website which you are going to promote, and I will show you how to promote, is very high. And because they are making lots and lots of money, and they will very likely to sign up for the website. Okay, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click on load more. And what we are going to do is we are trying to find out the contact email address of this website. Okay, and we will compose an email, which I will show you how to compose, and we will send them an email providing our affiliate link in that email. Okay, and the cool part is if they sign up for a 15-day free trial, and after 15-day free 14-day free trial, if they continue to use their services, then you will get paid, and you will get 30% of the commission. uh, and it's very cool. Kindly bear with me, and the page will load up very soon. Just click on load more, and you will see something like this. Just wait. And the promotion we are going to do is completely free, no need to invest any money, and you will be making lots and lots of money using this method. Okay, and guys, if you have any question related to this method, then kindly comment in the comment area, and I will be happy to help you out. And the page is not loading up. So what we will do is we will go to another website. If this is not getting loaded up, we will go to another website. Kindly bear with me. kindly guys, it will take little time, but bear with me. The process is very simple and you will be amazed to know this method. Okay, so bear with me. For example, let's go to this one, engagegadget.com. okay, let's go to this one. Let's click on the website and let's see what gets loaded up. So as you can see here, the website is getting loaded. So we will go to the bottom of the page by scrolling down, and we want to find out the contact us email address, contact their email address. Okay, and we will be composing an email, inserting our affiliate link to their email address. Okay, if you cannot find it on the bottom of the page, then what you can do here is just go to the bottom. Let's see if it is there or not. Yeah, as you can see here, and as you can see, you will find their contact us email address. Just wait, click on advertise, and here it is. Yeah, so here it is. This is the email address. Just copy this email address and go to your email client like Gmail or Yahoo or anything which you are using, and you will write an email which looks something like this. The subject line will be important message about njcat.com. Just enter the blog name here, and then write something like this: hi, this is your name, and I have visited your website earlier and it looks amazing. I am not sure if you are open to a new feature that would help you to get more customer sales and conversions. I am currently running a social media marketing agency, and I assist businesses to build their brands and conversions. Over 15,000 other businesses are using this tool to scale their business rapidly. If you are interested, I can send you the details and possibly a 14-day trial here. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day. And this kind of email you will be copying and pasting, and you will send it to this particular website. Okay, this website, and once they start talking to them, and send your email address, send as many send to as many website as you can. I have just showed you just one website, and in this way you will make money. And if you have any question related to this matter, kindly comment in the comment area, and I will be happy to help you out. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you want to know a bonus method through which you can earn more commissions and more money, then click the link below in the description, which is my #1 recommended money making method. And this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.